Well, I always thought it was how the narcissist discarded you. Their grand final act of chaos. While things were seemingly going smooth or getting worse every day. Suddenly it's like an explosion, bashing on social media. Twisting truths and running around from person to person telling them their innocence. Posting a long page about their breakup in details and how much a vacuum they are. Dating someone new instantly or even while you were still together. Probably the main reason why they broke up. Bitterness, uncooperative, and extremely difficult. And just sadistic and chaotic. That's what I thought it was. Apparently the non-narcissist can have a grand finale too. While the narc does more and more shady, cheating shit. The grand finale for the non-narc is to put their foot down. Leave and work on themselves and heal. They don't play childish games and jump into someone else's arms. Or smear campaign the narc. They just leave the chaos and heal and grow. They win ultimately, and that as their grand finale.